How to hide Base44 watermark. In this video, I will show you how you can hide the Base44 watermark on your published app. So to get started, go ahead and open Base44 on your device and then make sure you're signed in to your account. Now, if you're currently using the free account, go ahead and upgrade your plan to the premium account. So click on your profile icon at the top right, and then from here select billing, and then in here go ahead and select a plan that you want to use to be able to remove that watermark on your apps. Now once you have upgraded to a plan, from here head over into the apps tab and then go ahead and open that specific app where you want to remove a watermark from. So once you're on the app, head over into the dashboard tab, and then from here you'll be able to find this platform badge section. So the edit with Base44 badge is currently visible on your app, which is actually the watermark that they're pertaining to. So simply click on this hide badge button to hide it from your website. So once you have enabled that, the watermark would be removed from your website. So that is how you can basically hide Base44 watermark.